Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Again, I have another little beauty video here for you. I thought it would be nice if I showed you kind of like the tool that makes me feel like it helps rejuvenate my skin and just keep that youth coming through and prevent those wrinkles. But before I show you what that tool is, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up as well. I am talking about my Beauty Bio GloPro. This little baby, this is the lovely rose gold sparkly case that I got. But this little tool, I feel like just is magic. Like, it works wonders, I'm not gonna lie. Before I bought it, I was kind of like, is that gonna work? But I love this thing. I don't know if it's in my head, but I think it absolutely 100% has been giving me better signs and reducing the fine lines. It's kind of bringing that puff that you have when you're younger. It's bringing that to the surface again. I love this case that I got for it because I just am able to hold everything and store all of the heads and my cleansing alcohol, my actual GloPro. I can just keep it all in here. So it's really nice if you're traveling, especially, and you want to take this baby with you. This is my secret weapon though. I have on the face attachment right now. I'm actually gonna switch that out because I like to do that as my last one. The first head that I'm going to use is actually for my eye region. It's really nice because they have their storing case on its own. You just snap it in and then you can pull the top off. This little power button here on the front, as soon as I kick it on, you can see that it's glowing red and then the little head starts spinning. And the difference between the head attachments is either the size length of the needle or this one is just a smaller width versus that face one. It was the whole width of the little head here. So it's easier to get up in there and everything like that. I haven't applied anything to my face. Basically, it's just freshly washed, get the hair out of my face, and then now I'm going in with this. After you're done with each head, then I go in with this little alcohol spray, and this actually came with my tool right here. It was empty, and then you just fill it with 100% alcohol, and you just give it a nice spritzing all over. That way it disinfects the head because you don't want to have dirty needles poking into your skin at all. The next head attachment I'm going to use is actually for my lips. So again, it's just a very narrow little width, and then it has these cushions. I'm not honestly sure what those are for, but it feels nice on my lips. And then I'm just gonna roll up and down and all around over my lips. Now it's time to do all over my face, and if you've noticed, I'm kind of just going up and down. I'll go sideways, I go in diagonals. It's basically just to hit every single portion of your skin and just get those baby young cells that are deep down within to break through and be hey, let me be seen. And my face is now complete as far as it was being rolled and everything like that. I also want to show you that I do have a body attachment as well. I'm not going to be doing that one for you today, but I just wanted to show you that they do make this, and I like to use this all along the side and the back of my leg and up on my bum. I just feel it helps. I'm not saying it helps necessarily take the cellulite away. It helps lessen the appearance of little bitty dimples and stuff like that. It sends those signals to your skin cells saying like, ouch, like, hey, I got hurt and injured. So it sends like new cells to like the surface in order to help plump and make more full again and like heal. There's maybe like a little more dimplage that I don't really want, and I feel like this really does help out, along with then I have like a anti-cellulite type like little back of the leg serum that I'll put on then too, but I only use that when I use this. And that does it on how to use the GloPro from Beauty Bio. I hope you all enjoyed this video and watching me roll out my face. I'm sure it's nice and red now, and then after I get done rolling, I go in with my normal nightly skincare routine. I do have a video of that already up, so you can go back and watch that to see the products that I use and in the order and everything like that. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me any questions or comments down below. I love to read those and get back to you when I'm able to. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel because it's always so greatly appreciated, and don't forget to hit that bell. That way you always are notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, friends, bye.